ever done an ACV wash?
I have not.
Do you know what ACV wash is?
Letters of the alphabet?
No. This is what you're gonna need for your ACV wash: baking soda, a lemon, and preferably apple cider vinegar with mother. You see it? Yes. And a bowl. Any bowl of your choice. Alright guys, you're gonna get warm water. So we're gonna fill up our bowl. He doesn't have a head full of locks, so it's just basically the center of his head. So that's what's important.
But literally.
Like literally. Alright, so we're gonna add, what should we add first? Let's do,
I feel like you're gonna get a reaction with the baking soda, so we should put that last.
alright, so let's do our lemon first. Can you squeeze? Voila.
Yo, what? I ain't signed up for this. How you making me work when I'm paying you for a service?
So you're gonna just dunk your head in, bring it here all the way over, like so. Bring it all the way into.
You sure? Yeah. Oh, what is it doing?
Get your head all the way. Get here. Good. Okay. Are you alright? No.
It's gotta go in my ear.
No, it's not.
It's gonna get in my eye. I'm terrified. I need to wipe my eye. Can you give me a tissue? Y'all know, can you give me a tissue? I feel like I might be blind. I'm really scared, guys. Can you draw through your eyes?
I don't think so.
My really tired.
So at this point, he's going blind.
Yeah, what? Is it fake of my eyes there?
I don't think so. You want to turn to the other side?
You don't know what?
Turn to the other side.
What do you mean you don't think so?
Turn your eyes to the other side. You're fine.
Y'all know.
Turn your head to the other side.
I'm not playing with it.
Put your head in, man.
It isn't. No?
No.
I can feel it. Ah, it's in my ears.
Shane.
It's penetrating my ears.
You'll be fine.
It's bubbling in my ear. Don't push it down, please.
You are mad dramatic. Alright, can you turn backwards now?
I actually can't. I can't bend the way.
What you mean?
What you mean? No, that's what I mean. My head can't bend all the way back there. It's like half my body.
Alright, let me look at this.
You need to just hold it up or something. Oh shit! What is?
Yeah, that's your dirty hair. You gotta keep soaking it.
What's happening here?
It's cleaning your hair. We had him twisted on one side, and the other, then the other.
You
So,
had me going over.
move over.
Into what? My body or my hair?
Go, take your head over to the sink. Okay, all the way over. Alright. So guys, this is how dirty the water is. Let me bring it to the light so you can see.
Don't pour it out first before you see it. Lemon into my eye, feel. Sorry. Alright, look
So,
worse in the light.
This is his water after is wash.
Well, that's why I have one poison them.
That's gross. All right, so now we're gonna wash the hair.